Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And today I have another unbagging for you. I mentioned it in my last video. I did purchase two things from Coach. And I did want to just do an update on this bag. Last time I showed you this, I made this. I have to apologize to Solace Leather. I got this and I couldn't figure out what to do with it because I know it was supposed to go on the bag. Well, it turns out that there is another piece that attaches to this with a hook on it. Of course, I left that downstairs, so I don't have it right now, but it does come with the piece so that you can actually attach this to the bag. This would not be a crossbody bag. This is definitely a shoulder bag, because the little piece is about that, maybe that long, that attaches to it, and I don't think, at least not for me, that would work as anything other than probably a shoulder bag. But yeah, my apologies. Luckily I keep everything, and where I was working on the bag before, there was one package that came with it, and in the bottom of the package was the other piece of this. So yeah, it does come with a complete strap. It was so nice that the Solace Leather reached out to me and just said, hey, if that didn't come, let us know. We'll send you a new one right away. But no, it was my fault, 100%. So it is there. All right, so now if we recall my last video, I showed you that I picked up this beautiful Rowan bag from the Coach outlet store in the dark stone with the gunmetal hardware. And I loved it. While I was looking, there was another bag that I picked up. And I really liked it. And I looked at it, and I even tried it on. I never try on bags. I think that's funny when we say we're trying on bags. But I don't normally do that. But I did in this case. And Mick looks at it, and he's just like, that's not your bag. That's not your bag at all. That's not your color. That's not your bag. Then I found the Rowan, so I picked that up, and I knew I was getting it. And we were going around, and I was going to leave, and then I went back to the bag, and I had to get it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Well, there's a lot going on. Maybe that's changing how I like things. That's not true because I still love color. But I picked up the Coach Laurel bag.
Not the Hardy?
No. In this brown, like neutral color. Okay, now I'll show you the details in a minute, but we might recall that I very recently picked up this Dooney and Burke in this Florentine leather that I loved. And I love this bag, and it's very similar to this bag. Very, very similar to this bag. But there was just something about the leather. It smells good. It's squishy. I just loved it. So let me show you the bag here.
Don't squeeze the Charmin.
Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side. There are no feet on the bottom. The top, they come with this strap, as well as an adjustable, removable strap. I can fit this one on my shoulder. And the interior, take the piece out of there, it has a snap closure on this side, the front side. And then the back side has a zippered pocket. And then the interior, it's got I'd say that's like a canvas interior. Here's the tag if you want to see that. Right now they're on the website and in the stores for $249. And I just don't know. They even had other colors, and it was so funny because Mick never says, he never says that bag's not for you, or that's not a Jamie bag or anything. He never says it. And when I had this one, he said it. And I just I couldn't leave the store without it. I know it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, what is going on? I mean, I'm thinking about my past few bags. And so, like, I bought this one from Jackie. To me, that's relatively neutral. This was a recent purchase. This is a recent purchase. This is a very recent purchase. And, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to like neutrals too now. And then that's just, before that was a saving grace. It was like the few colors I didn't always need to have were like beiges and tans and black.
Where's all your Portland leather goods?
And yeah, the Portland leather goods hang in the closet so they stay nice. There's some neutrals, but the majority of those bags are colored as well. So, I don't know. What do you guys think of the Laurel? I don't know. It was just the leather is just squishy. If you look at the bag on the website, though, it does make the bag look squishier than it is. It is definitely more. I mean, like I'm hanging on to it here. It's not falling down. It's not squishing down or anything. The website almost makes it look like it might puddle a little bit. It doesn't. I would say this bag is probably more apt to puddle than this bag. But look at how similar they are. Of course, I don't know the name of this Dooney bag.
Boring.
But, stop. But, they're very, very similar. But,
yeah, golden poo and regular poo.
Stop it. I don't know. I still, even right now, looking at it, and there's just something about it that I love. And I don't like gold hardware very much, so it's just, I don't know. I don't know, peeps. What do you think? I'm just really shocked, but this is a beautiful bag. I know a lot of my neutral people out there are probably like, yeah, that's really nice. And I'm just sitting here thinking, it's like, no, it's nothing like what I normally get. But, I don't know. It spoke to me. And again, it might be because
Didn't it say leave me in the store?
No. I have been loving the Florentine leather from Dooney & Burke. I am telling you, I am on the Dooney & Burke or the I Love Dooney website every night. Every single night. Looking at more stuff in Florentine. And I just haven't wanted to pull the trigger on anything yet. Even though I apparently have no problem doing that in Coach. But yeah, it's something about that leather, and it was just something about this leather and the color, probably because it reminds me of the Florentine bags I have. But yeah, that's my latest purchase from Coach, so I thought I'd show you that. I think that's everything for today. So I guess if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out these videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both contemporary and luxury handbags and small leather goods. I do bag swaps on Monday where I'll switch from my current bag, move into my next bag, and give you a little bit of information about both. In fact, last week I used this Coach bag, and I finally went into
the tugboat,
a luxury-like bag just to switch it up a little bit because I have some more Coaches I want to try out yet. But yeah, those are Monday videos. Occasionally a video will go up on a Thursday, and that's a book-related video where I'll talk about what I've been reading, what I want to read, and always have a book haul. I'm looking over in that direction because my books are over there right now for my next haul. I'm thinking probably next Thursday will be the next book haul. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. Even though I normally do content on Wednesdays and Saturdays, this Friday I have a fun collab coming up with a bunch of wonderful YouTubers. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.